Sebaceous filaments versus blackheads. The real difference explained. Imagine two people. Both have tiny dark dots across their nose. Both think they have blackheads. Both start using the same treatments. But only one of them actually has blackheads. The other has something completely different. Today we're playing skincare detective and solving one of the biggest pore mysteries on the internet. Sebaceous filaments versus blackheads. What's the real difference? Clue number 1, the pattern test. Look carefully at the nose. If the dots appear almost everywhere in a similar pattern, that's your first clue. Sebaceous filaments tend to be evenly distributed. Blackheads usually appear randomly. Clue number 2, what's inside the pore? A blackhead is a blockage, oil, dead skin, debris, all trapped inside an open pore. A sebaceous filament is completely different. It's part of the pore itself. Clue number 3, the color myth. Most people think dark equals blackhead. Not always. Sebaceous filaments can appear gray, tan, yellow, light brown. Color alone doesn't tell the whole story. Clue number 4, the return test. Here's where the mystery gets solved. Remove a blackhead, and it may stay gone for a long time. Remove a sebaceous filament, and it often comes back quickly. Why? Because it serves a natural purpose inside the pore. The extraction experiment. During deep pore cleaning, blackheads often emerge as darker, compact plugs. Sebaceous filaments usually appear softer, lighter, and more oil-like. This is one of the easiest ways professionals tell them apart. The biggest skincare mistake. Many people spend years trying to permanently remove sebaceous filaments. But that's like trying to permanently remove your pores. They're designed to be there. The goal is management, not elimination. Final verdict: blackheads, heavy checkmark clogged pores, heavy checkmark oxidized buildup, heavy checkmark irregular appearance, heavy checkmark treatment target, sebaceous filaments, heavy checkmark natural oil channels, heavy checkmark even distribution, heavy checkmark normal skin function, heavy checkmark always return. The truth most people never hear: not every pore needs fixing. Some pores are simply doing their job. Understanding the difference between blackheads and sebaceous filaments is one of the most important skincare lessons you can learn. Did you think sebaceous filaments were blackheads before watching this? Comment below and let us know. And if you enjoyed this skincare detective challenge, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more pore science, skincare education, and deep pore cleaning transformations.